I remember one of the things I established early on. If we lose an account, nobody gets fired.
At dinner 2 years ago, you asked me a question. And the question was, are you building this company to buy, to build it and hold it, or to build it and sell it?
I remember.
And now I want to get it to the next level, to get it to 100, 150 million for an exit.
Okay.
Trying to figure out what our next move is.
I need more context to understand. I think building all these companies here is actually, to build a $100 million agency, you have to be in the HR business.
Sure.
Like, just so everybody, you want to get to the punchline? I spend all my time in HR. That's the answer. We sell people.
Yeah.
And I don't understand how you don't understand. You know how we make fun of, Rachel probably covered it in some way, but I'm not sure if she went there. When we scrutinize in the VC community companies that are very good at CAC but suck at LTV, they lose. You can acquire customers all day long, but if you need to hold on to them for 4 months to make it pay off and they drop off after 2.5 months, you're out of business. And then when the price of Instagram and Facebook ads go out and your CAC is going up, you're really in deep shit. Yet we don't talk about LTV. Remember, how many years you've been at Vayner? I mean, these are real. When I got into the business, people, this is super funny because now I'm thinking, I forgot. Lots of people came to give me advice. And I'm a nice guy, so I was cordial, but in my brain, I'm like, motherfucker, my business is gonna be bigger than yours in 36 months and I don't even know what I'm doing yet. So your advice is cool, but like, everyone's like, your people are gonna stay for 18 to 24 months. I'm like, no, your people are gonna stay for 18 to 24 months. My people are gonna stay for 5, 10, and 15 years because I actually give a fuck about them. The only way you can build a $100 million business is the reason the New York Jets are in big trouble right now is their offensive line has no cohesion because they don't ever play together at any level. Agencies are like offensive lines. They need cohesion. You know how fast you can go when everybody feels safe and knows what everybody else is good at? Yet people are fearful that they're gonna lose, I remember one of the things I established early on. If we lose an account, nobody gets fired. Because I remember knowing that I had to establish that. Shit like that. All the stuff that nobody's talking about. People are always, it's very fascinating to me. I'm an enigma. I do unusual things. I talk about my unusual things, but everybody wants to focus on the other stuff because the stuff I do is hard. People.